And just like that, the official 99 Bitcoins pre-sale smashes through $1 million. Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel, everyone. 99 Bitcoins pre-sale is looking absolutely bullish right now. Like I say, raising over $1 million. If you're a fan of Bitcoin or Bitcoin alternative, or if BRC20 tokens, this could be one for you. So you can see 199 Bitcoin is priced in right now at $0.00104. Could still be a lot of upside potential by the time it gets to its last stage and launches. So the price will be going up in 5 days, 19 hours, or by the time they raise $1.892 million over here. So yeah, could be pretty good here. So 99 Bitcoins token is the future of learn to earn. Big community already. They've seen across hundreds of different websites already and parasites, and it is pretty bullish. I think overall this BRC20 powered platform could be a new 10x potential platform with longevity as well. So if you're following the Twitter, they're also posting out information, insights, analysis every single day. You can see here, SEC delays Ethereum ETF decision again. Meanwhile, institutional interest in Bitcoin ETF spike. So lots of stay in the news, no. And if you do like Bitcoin and just overall only are following Bitcoin, this could be the ideal place for you to have a look at. Article here, thought it was quite cool to show you. BRC20 investors bet big on highest APY learn to earn platform. Over $1 million raised for 99 Bitcoins in explosive new 99 Bitcoin crypto pre-sale. Article written here, as you can see, it says OG Bitcoin education website 99 Bitcoins is poised for a major relaunch in Q3 2024 amid an explosive pre-sale for their new 99 Bitcoin token. So it's going to be a tokenized platform. It will actually be a trading cryptocurrency live, ready for the public to buy on exchanges. So you can see here, within 24 hours, we've added another 100K. We're now sitting at over $1.1 million raised. So they're certainly getting a lot of interest, a lot of investor appetite. And big stake and rewards is a $100 million plus market cap potential project over here, guys. So check the link out down below. They've got educational courses. They're doing a lot of things here. They've got the BRC20 migration, got solid tokenomics of 99 billion total tokens there as well. So 2024 being the year of Bitcoin, we could actually see something big here for this ecosystem. Stake and rewards are indeed 1,527% per annum, which is a very, very big thing. Decent compounded rewards there. They're doing a $99,000 Bitcoin airdrop, but they're giving away to 99 members as well, $1,000 each. So the link is down below to do some research. If you want to enter the giveaway, that is fantastic. Strong roadmap as well. You can see Q3 2024 is the pre-sale claim, DEX launch, and Q4 2024 is the centralized exchange listing and the learn to earn optimizations as well. So lots happening. Big bridge to BRC20 will happen. And overall, like I said, guys, this could be the next big one here. Not financial advice. Please do your own research out here in the crypto markets. The link is right down below. Thank you for watching. See you soon.